like my second video, number 2. It's like my second video now, and I'm sort of getting the hang of it, which is like really cool. I love like videos, but I sort of stuck for ideas now. So if you like drop me some comments, maybe I'll be able to like think of ideas and do like new crazy ideas, because I'm up for anything. I'm really crazy. Like, it's unbelievable. really crazy. It's like, woo! It's really crazy. Like, all these little people are like walking past me and going, like, hi! You're like, what are you talking about? Just drop a comment with an idea, and then I'll know what to talk about and know what to like be crazy about. Thank you. Bye. This video person. Okay, I'm inside the house now. I'm to my YouTube channel. Look.